Ever opened an app and thought, whoa, this does feel right? Or the flip side, load a website so chaotic it makes your eyes scream for help. This secret sauce behind visually appealing designing isn't just magic, it's a tried and true formula called the 60-30-10 rule. And today we are going to break it down so you can use it like a pro UX UI designer. So let's jump right in. What is a 60-30-10 rule? It's a simple yet powerful guideline used by interior designers, fashion designers, and yes, UX UI designers to create balance and harmonize color schemas. 60. Dominate color, the foundation settings the tone. 30. Secondary color, add contrast and visual interest. 10. Accent colors, brings excitement and focus. Think of it as a well-dressed outfit. Your shirt, 60%, set the main vibe. Your pants, 30%, add some structure. And those both sneakers, 10%, they make the whole look pop. The principle works because our brains crave visual hierarchy. Without it, interface can feel cluttered, confusing, or just plain ugly. A strong color hierarchy helps direct attention, guides user smooth through the content, and create overly pleasant experience. Applying 60-30-10 to UI design. So how can we break this magic into UX UI design? Let's go step by step. Choose your dominate color. Your dominate color set the foundations of your design in the most used color in your interface and should apply in larger areas to establish consistency and mood. This is the first thing users subconsciously associate with your product. Some key considerations. Brand identity. If you are designing for the Coca-Cola, you are probably going to use red. If it's all linked, blue is your safer bet. Industry norms. Financial apps love blue because it's awaken trust and security, while the environmental apps might lean through towards bold, vibrant colors. Users' emotions. A meditation app stick with the climbing blue and green, and high energy fitness app consider fiery reds and oranges. Where to apply it? Backgrounds, main UI sections, larger interactive elements like a hero banners or primary navigation bar. Choose your secondary color. Spotify example. The secondary black balanced the bright green, making it look sleek and professional. The secondary colors help a supporting role, ensuring the interface isn't monotonous while helping with the structure and readability. The colors should completely the dominate color while providing enough contrast to differentiating elements. How to pick the right one? Use color theory. Look at the color wheel and choose a shaders and harmonies with your domination color. Think about contrast. If your dominate color is a deep blue, a lighter secondary color like a gray or white can create a clear separation. Enhance visual hierarchy. Secondary colors are perfect for buttons, sidebars, headers, and key content dividers. Where to apply it? Menus, secondary buttons, subheaders, dividers, and contrast elements that break up the primary background. Choose your accent color. Google's example that use pops of color red, yellow, green, blue to enhance the identity while keeping the UI unclouded. This is the attention grabber. The accent color is used separately to highlight the most critical actions like a call to action buttons, notification, or key interactive elements. It should stand out but not overwhelm the design. Key things to keep in mind. Too much, it's become overwhelming and distracting. Too little, users won't notice important elements. Just right, it subtle guides users to key actions. Where to apply it? CTA buttons. alerts, active state indicators, bridges, and essential highlights. Break the rule when and why. Like any rule, 60-13-10 isn't rigid, is a guideline. Some brands tweak it depending on their design needs. Minimalist UI. Maybe a 90-5-5 split works better for ultra clean designs. Gradients heavy style. Colors blend more fluidly, require a more flexible approach. Dark mode lovers think 60% black, 30 gray, and 10 neo accents for futurist look. If you decide to break the rule, do it intentionally, ensuring users still experience clean visual hierarchy and consistency. Experiment, test, and tweaks, because good design isn't just about the rule, it's about how it feels. So there you have it, color harmony, UI balance, and stress-free guide for mastering your design. Hit the like button, which is, I hope, follows proper contrast ratio. Subscribe for more designs hacks and drop your biggest UI color snipers in the comments below. I'm Przemysław, see you in the next video. Let's laugh through the house together. Take care, until next time.